Welcome to Caddy Medics. This tutorial will be talking about the structure of hemoglobin. So we'll break down the word hemoglobin into two main parts. You have the heme aspect of hemoglobin, and then you have the globin aspect. So we'll break it down first and then bring it together at the end. So the first part is the heme aspect of hemoglobin, and this itself consists or can be subdivided into two things. You have the iron atom in its ferrous state, so in its Fe2+ state, and you have porphyrin. The porphyrin is an organic ring-like compound made up of 4 pyrroles, and that itself encompasses the iron atom in the center. You then have the globin aspect of hemoglobin. In adult hemoglobin, this consists of 4 polypeptide chains. You have 2 alpha chains, and you have 2 beta chains. Now, when we bring them together, I'll just draw a diagrammatic representation of hemoglobin. So just note that this isn't what hemoglobin will actually look like, but it's just to make it easier to remember. So we'll start off by drawing the 2 alpha chains, and I'll draw that using these 2 cloud-like structures. So that's the first alpha chain, and you have the second alpha chain. And then you have 2 beta chains. So I'll draw that slightly differently with this spiky cloud-like structure. And that's the first beta chain, and that's the second beta chain. Okay, so each of these polypeptide chains encompasses a heme group. Now, as we said, the heme group consists of an iron atom in its ferrous state and a porphyrin ring. Now, the iron atom's normally in the center of the porphyrin ring, but just to make it easier to remember, I'm just going to draw it as an attachment to a circle that's colored in. Okay, so we have the polypeptide chain, you have the iron atom, and then you have the porphyrin ring. So the iron atom in the porphyrin ring makes up the heme part. Now, each of these polypeptide chains has a heme component. So we'll draw that 4 times. And this is important to note because one oxygen molecule can bind to one of these heme groups. So if we say this is our hemoglobin molecule, we have four heme groups, which means that we have, for one hemoglobin molecule, we can have 4 molecules of oxygen binding. Okay, so 4 molecules of oxygen can bind to 1 hemoglobin molecule. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the structure of hemoglobin. If you enjoyed and learned something, please like and subscribe. Thank you.